Hi YouTube, my channel name is and the reviews feedback says the channel uses someone else's content without making changes that add significant value. All of my content is original and made by myself, and the voiceovers are my own voice. I'd like to take you through my creativity process. I create my content myself from scratch, and I use CapCut to edit my videos and insert animations and music. I use exclusive clips and images for my videos. The clips and images are taken from Storyblocks, which is a paid service that allows us to use exclusive clips and images you see in most of my videos. Also, I record my own voice using my voiceover recorder app, and then I import my voice into the CapCut and do my creative process. And all of my channel content is about science and space discoveries. For all my content, I do my research, I record my voiceover, and I put it together and create the entire content. I handwrite my scripts due for my videos. I create my own scripts and my own voiceovers, and I edit all the videos myself from scratch using CapCut, just like I create the rest of my content. I don't use anybody else's content, and this is my production process. The majority of my content is about space discoveries, and I use my own voice for the voiceovers and exclusive clips as you have seen in this video. I plead with you to please reinstate my monetization. I'll be very grateful, and thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope this will be sufficient. Thank you very much. Have a great day.